This is a quick introduction to Class Dojo. I also have some more videos that go more in depth to different things that you can do. First, I'm going to log in, make sure I select Teacher, I save my credentials, and click Log In. This will bring you to your dashboard. This is where all of the classes that you have been invited to or you have created will be. I'm going to go into the demo class. So now we're in the demo class. I'm going to show you a couple ways that you can give points in Dojo. So the first way is that you can give individual students points. So let's say Jennifer earns a point. I can click on her monster, give her the point that I want. If I'd like to give a few different students the same Dojo point, down at the bottom, I can select multiple, click on the students that I want to earn the point, click Give Feedback, and then give them their point. If the whole class earns a point, I can click Whole Class, click on their point, and every student will be given that point. To ensure that students who are absent don't get points when you're giving a whole class point, you would just need to go down to the attendance, click on the student, and it will turn them red. That means that they're absent, and you can click Save Attendance. They'll be grayed out, so if you give the whole class a Dojo point, it will only give it to the students that were here, and their total will remain the same. If you make a mistake with your attendance, you can click on Attendance again, click on the bubble. This shows that they came late, half day, or they were present, and you can click Save Attendance. Another way to give points is creating groups. You can create as many groups as you want. It can be tables that you have in your classroom. This is really good for reading groups as well. All you do is go to Add Group, type in the name, select the students that you want, and it will create that group. Students can be in as many groups as you want. If you want to edit a group, you can click on it, go up to the top and click Settings. You can delete the group or edit the group to add any students that you want. You can also award the group, and that will give all of the students in that specific group the point, the Dojo point. To get back to seeing all of your students, you just click on the Students tab. Now moving on to some of the features that are going to be important for you to know. We're going to go up to the Options tab, click on it. We can go to Edit Class. This will bring up some different options that we have. We can edit the students, the families, see who's connected, and we can also get the printouts for the families so that their parent can see what points that they are earning. Skills, this is where you can edit skills. I have a more in-depth video on that. Inviting teachers and the settings for your class. Another important feature are the display settings. Remember, we are only using positive points, but this is where you can organize your dojo to best fit your needs. When you're done making your changes, just click Save Changes. In order to get to a different class, so if you're in your homeroom and you want to get to your math class, just click your All Classes button, and that will bring up all of the classes that you are a part of. I'm going to go back into the demo class. You can also quickly edit a few things for your classes on this screen by clicking on the Settings gear. There's your Edit Class buttons, Add Co-Teachers, Connect Students, and Connect Parents. If you go into Edit Class and the info, you can also change the icon that comes up on the screen. So if I want the flower and I exit out, that icon will be changed to the flower. It might be good to do this for your classes so that you can quickly and easily differentiate them. Adding a new class is really easy. All you do is go over to New Class. This is where you would want to put your class name, choose your grade, and then you click Create. You can start off by already sending the invites. I don't have co-teachers yet so that I can add those later once I've created the class. This is what a blank class looks like. You're going to click Add Students. If you are creating your math class or you're creating your pull-out group, you can start typing in a student's name. And as you see, we already have a directory, so you can find that student and click on them, and they will be added to the class. If you click somebody by accident, you can click on the X. If it's a student new to our school, we would type in their first name, last initial, and click add. And this will add them to our school directory as well so that others can include them. That's a quick introduction. I also have more videos that go more in depth for different skills, such as inviting families, changing the points that you can give students, and how the students will be cashing in their Dojo points at the source store.